Are you looking for a beautiful 3-bed, 3-bath home in a mature estate? Located just 15 minutes from Waterford City. Let's go check out 27 Chapelgate, Kilmacow. This home is absolutely stunning throughout, but I particularly love this modern kitchen with its neutral tones and finishes. To the rear of the property is an enclosed landscape garden, perfect for those summer barbecues. If you're looking for a turnkey home in a beautiful location and would like to arrange a viewing, contact Liberty Blue today.